Welcome to St. Kitts. St. Kitts Cruise Port in the Caribbean is one of the island's busiest and most inviting gateways for cruise visitors. Port Zante is the main cruise ship terminal in St. Kitts and Nevis, located right in Basseterre, the capital of St. Kitts and Nevis. Nevis is the smaller of the two islands that make up the Caribbean nation of St. Kitts and Nevis. It's a modern and well-designed facility that serves as the arrival point for most cruise lines in the Eastern Caribbean. Cruise ship tourism is also a key part of the local economy. Thousands of passengers visit St. Kitts weekly, and in early December 2025, it shows high activity of at least 22 ships and some days with 4 or 6 ships. Port Zante has 2 dedicated cruise berths capable of handling large modern cruise ships. The port also features duty-free shopping, restaurants, bars, and a central area for tour operators and local vendors, all within walking distance. Right in Basseterre, the capital of St. Kitts, the port is just steps from downtown, historic sites, shops, and restaurants. Some of the attractions are walkable. The piers, mall areas, and terminal are generally wheelchair-friendly. Because Port Zante is central, many of Basseterre's highlights are close by. Nearby attractions includes the National Museum of St. Kitts, which offers historic insights into the island. Independence Square and the Circus has charming parks and historic squares within 10 to 15 minutes on foot. A festive cultural welcome with local performers and steel bands. We can feel the island vibe already. Taxis and tour vendors are available just outside the terminal if you want to explore farther locales like beaches, historic sites, or Nevis. Nevis is known for its lush volcanic landscapes, quiet atmosphere, and rich history with its capital at Charlestown. It features rainforests, beaches, and colonial architecture, offering a more understated and authentic Caribbean experience compared to its sister island, St. Kitts. Here is the St. Kitts Cruise Terminal Information Center, primarily located within the arrivals building at Port Zante, serves as the central hub for cruise passengers looking to navigate the island. It is designed to be a stress-free starting point. The Tourist Information Desk is staffed with destination specialists who provide maps, brochures, and answers to questions about island attractions, culture, and history. The Information Center also served as one of the many shore excursion meeting points. The terminal also houses the security checkpoints where IDs and ship cards are checked upon re-entry. Amenities at the port includes ATMs, banking services, and public restrooms and seating areas are also available. There are several public Wi-Fi hotspots located within the cruise port complex. Many bars and restaurants in and around the terminal also offer free Wi-Fi for customers, so grabbing a drink or snack can also get you online. The duty-free shopping features around 60-plus shops with jewelry, spirits, perfumes, and local handicrafts which are right at the terminal. You'll also find cafes, bars, and eateries offering Caribbean and international cuisine such as conch fritters, fresh smoothies, and the local rum drinks are popular with visitors. This map provides a clear layout of Port Zante, the primary cruise terminal in Basseterre, St. Kitts. Key features of the map include arrival hall, transportation area, shops and dining directory, entertainment and visitor services like tourist information kiosk, restrooms, and a tour dispatch area. Here is the taxi and transport area. Taxi fares are fixed rather than metered, and you have to negotiate a quote before hopping in the cab. Most drivers can also serve as a tour guides for an additional fee. US dollars are widely accepted, but the local currency is the Eastern Caribbean dollar. Be sure to clarify with the taxi driver or any private tour vendors the currency used. Some recommended shore excursion in St. Kitts. Grand Island panoramic tours, guided van or open-air safaris to see highlights like Timothy Hill Lookout with amazing views. And the capital, Basseterre. Brimstone Hill Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this historic fortress offers incredible views and history. Tour the old plantation and see intricate batik fabric being made. St. Kitts Scenic Railway, an old sugar train offering panoramic views, including the historic Romney Manor. The Scenic Railway is also a popular excursion with visitors. A scenic train ride takes visitors around the island. Beach hopping, visit spots like Cockleshell Beach, South Friars Bay, and Frigate Bay. We are heading towards the Independence Square and walking around the town. Located in downtown Basseterre, it is about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Port Zante Cruise Terminal. Once you exit the cruise terminal, walk through the port shopping village and head toward the main gate. Turn right onto Bay Road. This is the main coastal road. Keep the sea behind you and walk inland direction and continue straight toward downtown. You will pass by local shops, government buildings. Tour its historic downtown featuring Georgian colonial architecture, colorful shops, and cafes. The square is also close to other attractions like the circus and St. George's Anglican Church. Local shops, cafes, and the National Museum are nearby. Independence Square is a small but very important historic landmark in Basseterre, especially meaningful if you're exploring near the cruise port. It was originally built in the late 18th century as Pall Mall Square. It was named Independence Square after St. Kitts gained independence from Britain on September 19, 1983. It symbolizes the island's transition from colonial rule to nationhood. During colonial times, the square was used for military drills and public gatherings. You will see a grassy public square surrounded by historic colonial-era buildings, a central fountain and flagpoles, as well as plaques and monuments commemorating independence and national pride. Locals often relax, chat, or simply pass through the town square. Next to Independence Square is the Immaculate Conception Catholic Co-Cathedral. It serves as the co-cathedral for the Diocese of St. John's, Basseterre. The current building, an ornate Gothic structure, was dedicated on December 6, 1928 and stands on the eastern side of Independence Square. Nearby are shops, a school, and the Sands Complex, which is often referred to locally as Sands Shopping Center. Inside this complex are retail shops, boutiques, offices, and some eateries and local businesses. Whether you are doing excursions for snorkeling, hiking, sightseeing, or Nevis day trips, you will have an enjoyable visit with the sunny weather and meeting the friendly locals. Thank you for watching.